What is the last concept? What is the last concept?
Page layouts.
Page level. Okay. Okay, guys. So these all are mixed, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now go to your. So now go to your Apollo hospitals. Okay. So guys, see when yesterday I already told you. In my point of view, this total is one concept. Not like object is one concept, relationships are one concept, not like that. I'm not fit into that. This total, my friend question. So this total concept is, what is that? This total hierarchy is one concept. Understand? This total hierarchy is one concept. Not like this is the heading, this is the one concept, not like that. Why? Because all are linking together. Okay? Yeah. Now guys, page layouts done. Not done. Okay, we are all touched that concept. Okay. Yesterday I got one scenario. I will explain you. See, guys, this is the patient. Okay. I will tell you one real-time use case. In the Salesforce, already some standard objects are there. Okay. For example, what do you say? We don't require product as of now. Okay. For example, this is the patient, guys. Okay. In the patient point of view, if you go to any what about shop, right now after Modi government has come, the digital payments, right? Whenever you are going to any coffee shop or tea shop, like just we have what is that? Swipe the what is that? Scan the barcode and send the money. So the barcode generation, right? Barcode nothing but what is meant by barcode, guys? What is behind that? In the barcode is one image. So the barcode only the scanning purpose, only tea shop or blah blah, only pay purpose, or in anywhere did you use that? Where did you see the barcode, guys? Restaurants. Whenever we are going to restaurants, barcode. Whenever you are going to shopping mall, all the shots of and blah blah blah, barcode is there. That guy is scanning it. That means whenever you are going to DMart, whenever going to KFC, whenever going to anywhere, all the people scan the barcode, right? That means barcode internally what is coming? What is there? The product details. If it is a, for example, Libby showroom, that guy, you whenever you are purchasing one, what is that? The jeans. Whenever you are going to jeans, that guy is scanning it. Whenever it is scanning, if you see the, if you observe that, yeah, flight tickets, yes, good. Movie, right? Movie tickets. That means if you observe the movie tickets or flight tickets, for example, if you go to Indigo or whenever you are going to other area, so whenever you are giving the ticket, right, the flight ticket, that guy is scanned. Whenever at that time you can see the screen, guys. Whenever she or he scanned your ticket, automatically your name Ashok, your age, where from and to, what is the flight number, what is everything will be populated on that application, right? So that means you are not entering the data. You are not entering the data. Whenever you are scanning it, scan is, it is an external device. That is a different story. Leave it. Whenever you are scanning it, the barcode internally, some specific informations, what is that? Encrypted. The barcode internally, for example, Levi's, what is the font name, what is the brand, what is the size, what is the price, everything will be internally the barcode hiding. Right? Whenever you are going to fly, purchase the flight ticket, in that barcode, what is the flight, when is the flight date, what is the time, which flight, everything will be that information internally hidden in the barcode, right? So same kind of, can we create one barcode, guys? Okay, I didn't explain, I think previous class. Yesterday I got this requirement. Okay, so in this, can we create the barcode? So whenever this, what is that? This scenario is coming, guys. My team member will be, all the people care about that. Hey, how we are creating the barcode, right? So barcode is, it is like rocket science, but it's very simple, guys. Okay, if you know the skill. So here my requirement is whatever contact number is there. Behind this contact number, I'm converting to the barcode. The data, that means whenever you are scanning with the help of your mobile, automatically whenever you are scanning the barcode, the mobile number will be visible. So that means in the barcode, I am put that which information? Mobile number. So in this case, the barcode functionality not there in the Salesforce. The barcode functionality not there. In that case, we have some boundaries. We are in Salesforce. You can go with out of the boundaries, guys. That means in the out of the world, apart from Salesforce, you need to think that. So that type of requirements also coming. How to do that? Our final weapon is Google. What is that? Okay. Barcode, who will generate the barcode, guys? Who will generate the barcode? Which company? It is a famous company. Google. Maximum Google people are generating so many, what is that application actually? So, sir, how do you know? In my experience, I know, guys. Okay. So I will explain you in next time. Whenever you are getting this requirement, you can understand. Okay, go to this. Why? Because we are already discussed. So Google APIs for barcode generation. QR code or barcode, anything is fine. See, this is the barcode. This is the barcode. So here, so many barcodes are there, guys. Okay, so many barcodes are there. See, what is that? This is the URL for barcode. This is the URL for barcode. 1 second, here I need one more help. Oh. So these URLs and everything in the end of the class. End of the class means after one and a half month, then you can understand. But slowly, I'm migrating. Your brain will be migrating to some out of boundaries. Okay, technology not in. I'm the Salesforce developer. For example, this scenario is coming. No, I'm the Salesforce developer. I don't know. Nobody will accept that. Okay. Out. See, first, what do you want? Whether it is possible in Salesforce or not. Then go to Google and copy paste the code. So here our intention should be finally achieve the task. How you are doing? You are writing some scratch or you are writing manually, you are copy pasted, nobody will ask you. So that is the skill. Achieve the task is our skill. Within the time, right? Within the time you need to deliver the task. So here, so what is that? This is the URL, guys. This is the, I'm just explain. This is the out of 100%, 0.0001%. So why I'm explaining means we are not only Salesforce, out of the Salesforce requirements also coming. At that time, what is our approach? What is our approach? So here in this case, what is my, what is that? My requirement is to generate the barcode. So this is the URL, QR code like this I want. Okay. So what is the URL? If you have the time, you can read it. Otherwise, I don't have time. I'm just doing it. Okay. So what is the syntax? This is the URL. This is the URL. Copy it. Guys, don't say that sir is not explain Salesforce. Okay. These are, I told you, all are real-time requirements. I will explain you. So chart. Now guys, come to here. Again, come to documentation. Here, chart is equal to QR. What is that? Specify a QR. So that means which barcode you want. So what is that? Chart is equal to QR. I want QR code. I want QR code. Add it. Add this URL. What is that? Chart question mark. What is that? Chart is equal to I want QR code. That is the meaning. Next. Come to here. CHS, what is that? Image size. Which size you want? Width and height. Width into height. Add it. Add it. So here in this URL, one parameter, next parameter you can use and. In the integration, it is very helpful in the last. Okay. Add it. And chart, what is that? Sizes. Width. Instead of width, 200. Instead of into height, 200. Understand? See, I'm generating the barcode URL. How? The document, this is the actual URL. Question mark means first parameter. CHT is equal to QR. I want QR code related. What is that? QR code. CHS, what is that? Description. It is required. See, required. That means you must enter. What is that? Image size. Image size, what is that? Width into height. 200 into 200. That means 200 height, 200 width. That image, that size image I want. Next, data. It is required. CHL. CHL is equal to data. What type of data you want to enter? So here, and data is equal to CHL is equal to data. What is the data? I'm entering Ashok. Now we'll see. Done. Understand? Understand? I'm not copy pasting it. I'm generating it based on documentation. So that requirement, whenever any requirement is coming, that respective documentation must be available. Here I am telling only anybody telling maximum 5%. I know only 30%, man, in my experience. What about 70%? Whenever new cloud is coming, new requirements are coming, I don't know, but I want to do it, right? Otherwise, project will be gone. Immediately you can go to respective documentation, read it and do it. That skill we want. I know end-to-end Salesforce means if your boundary is only your notes, these 3 months, it's not possible, everything. So, but we need to learn any new thing is coming, how to approach, how to do it. That's what we need to learn. So understood here? Understand? This is the URL. What is the URL? You can scan it. You can scan it. Mobiles are there, right? Everybody mobiles will be there. Huh? Check it. Ashok is coming or not? Coming? For me, it is coming. Online people. Coming, Ashok. Right? Whenever you scan it, Ashok is coming. So, instead of Ashok, what do you want? Phone number. Now scan it. Phone number is coming. What is the phone number? This number is coming. Done. So this is not Salesforce. It is out of Salesforce. Now this feature you can use in your Salesforce. Understood? Understood, online people? How to generate the URL, how to pass this parameter. Everybody understood? Any questions? Anybody? Guys, please respond. Online people, please respond. Any questions as of now? How to generate this URL? So now onwards, in your real time, anybody asking, hey, can you please generate the URL? What is that? Barcode. Copy paste this URL already. I will provide. You can copy paste it, change the content. So now copy it. How to use this barcode in our Salesforce, right? That is the. Here I want barcode. Which barcode? Phone number barcode or the employee name barcode. Anything is fine. So here I want to create one field. Today, Nilma, I will give you. Okay. Today I will provide the why because link is already changed. Today I will give the notes. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Guys, see here. I want to create one field. Within the field, I want to add that URL. Okay, but the URL already there, right? That is the reason whenever you are entered contact number, this contact number, I want to pass that URL. Then barcode is coming. So based on the URL, image is generated. That is the reason here I am using one formula field. I am using formula field. How to create it? View fields. Click on new. What is that? Formula. By formula, I am giving URL, then get the image. That's the reason formula. What is the formula field type? Which type? URL is not there. Then text. It's a text, right? See. Text. What is the name? QR code. What is that? QR code. So it is a QR code. Now, text. Next. Here, guys, in the QR code, just enter what is that URL. So QR code is a text type. So if you are enter this is the URL. This is the URL. URL will be converting to text. Which concept we are using? Typecasting. So converting to text. See, text of value. Which value? Your URL. URL always in the single quotes. Sorry. First, it is an image, guys. This is converting to image first. Why? Because the URL will be converting to image. Image means here check. See, image. Image. So here image URL. What is the image URL? Whatever URL you are using in that image, that URL you can use it. So alter text, blah blah blah, don't require these all those things, leave it. Here just use some dummy, anything is fine, we'll see. Just use some text or something, alternative text. Check the syntax. Okay, but here there is a doubt. Sir, this is a QR code, is a text, but you are entering the image. In the image, it is a combination of characters. Understand? Image is a combination of blob data. It is nothing but it is a character. So that's the reason it is accepted. So what is that? Whatever URL you are providing, that URL converting to image, that image going to QR code field. Clear? Clear? Now see, next. Visible to all. Next. Save. Now guys, see. Understood? But can you please scan it? What is the value is coming? What is the value? We are giving. What is the phone number we are giving here? 987867 something. But which QR code we required? This contact number related QR code we required. Right? Understand? So that means this is the wrong QR code. I want this field related QR code. The contact person wrong related contact number, whatever it is, that will be converting to QR code. Understand? That means you can pass this contact number to this image. Why?
98786.
That's what I'm telling now. I'm also telling same. I am giving, what is that? Here in the URL 987867 something I am giving. Right? That is the reason that internally that 9867 is there. But my requirement is, what is that? Whatever contact I have entered, that contact number I want to pass to here. So that means you can pass the dynamic data. Dynamic data means whatever you are entered. For example, I am entered blah 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 blah. This phone number I want to pass to here. Ashok is different for contact number, Ramesh is different, Naresh is different, John is different, Peter is different, right? So the respective contact you can pass to the URL dynamically. How? You know already. Here, see, this is the phone number. Don't hard code it. Remove it. Plus after single colon, plus what is that? Go to insert field. Which field? Under patient, pass the contact number. Under patient contact number. What is the contact number? If Ashok contact number is coming, it is added to your URL. If Ramesh contact number is coming, it is added to your URL. Based on that, what is that? The image is generated. So contact number now it is a dynamic value. Whatever contact number is coming, that contact number append your URL. If it is a 123, if it is a 657, if it is a 9848 or anything, based on that, this image is generated. Now check the syntax. Okay, correct. Save it. Understand how to pass the dynamic content plus this one. Yeah, tell me.
రిటర్న్ టైప్ టెక్స్ట్ ఇచ్చాను సార్ బట్ మనం పాస్ చేసిన ఫార్ములా ఇమేజ్
అదే కదా చెప్పా ఇమేజ్ internally contains multiple characters. Characters nothing but text, right? So image also, image is a small pixels. The pixels converted into small text actually. Okay, that's the blob data. I will tell you in the coding. So always image will be storing into the text. Why? Because image internally small pixels, right? The pixels nothing but characters. Okay, guys. Yeah. Now see this image. Please see this image. It will be changed. So now scan it. What is the value? 5647. You can scan it now. Yes. Check it. Coming, right? So now different. For example, I can change it. Now see. Scan it. What is the value? 7856. It is coming. Yeah. If you want, take the screenshot for just practice. Anyhow, today I will give you, but I will add this and give you. If you want, just take the screenshot for this from formula field. Any questions online, people? That's the reason, guys. If you know what do you want, it is very easy. Understand? So whenever any requirement is coming, don't fear about the requirement, guys. Barcode generation, that is a huge requirement. How much time it will be taking? Less than 1 minute. Understand? That is the subject. Sir, do you need to show the both contact number and QR code? Already contact number is there, right? Why are you again showing? Madam, contact number already there. That internal, yeah, you can remove this. See, already QR code contact number is there. Then you can hide this. How to hide this, sir? You can hide the page layout. Okay, so I am just giving the example how to convert the content to the QR code. That is the example. Okay, yeah. So this is the one example, guys. That's it. Now there is a theoretical part in this. Relationships. Already the difference we are already pending. What is the differences? Previously we are already learned lookup is an optional relationship. Master is a mandatory. Lookup is if parent is deleted, the respective child will not delete. If parent is deleted, the respective all childs are deleted. Why? It is a mandatory relationship. What is the maximum relationship per object for lookup? 40. Master is per object 2. Okay, here relationship, those people are not asking direct questions, guys. In the indirect way, generic way, those people are asking the questions. How? For example, here patient doctor, right? Every patient doctor is required. That's the reason we are adding the master detail relationship, right? So now general word we will use in the different words, guys, here. Okay, for example, one patient, how many doctors? Until he is having multiple diseases, we don't know, but he is having one disease, then one patient, one doctor. One patient, one doctor. That means See guys, one patient, one doctor, right? That means one child, one parent. So this is called one patient. What is that? One doctor. So this relationship is called the general. The guys are asking the interview point of view questions. Okay, it is a theoretical. One patient, one doctor means it is one-to-one relationship. One-to-one relationship. The relationship name is one-to-one. That guy is asking, not asking lookup or master. Hey, can you tell me any example of one-to-one relationship? One patient, one doctor. One patient, one hospital. Any other example? Any other example? Not related to a hospital management system. One record, one specific parent record. That type of any scenario? One movie ticket, one person, huh? One ticket, one person. So what is that here? Person is a child, movie ticket is a parent. Any other? Flight ticket. One flight ticket, one passenger. So this is the one-to-one, right? One ticket, not multiple people, not possible. So that is not one-to-one. Understand? So in the real time, we are asking the question like that. I'm not asking, can you tell me lookup relationship example? Can you tell me master data relationship example? I'm not asking like that. So in the different way, the product-based companies are asking, what is that? Skill-based questions. Understand? What is that? Can you explain me any one-to-one relationship which was you are already working? One-to-one means, my sorry didn't tell. Not like that, guys. Already, what is that? One person, one Aadhaar card. Right? One Aadhaar card, one person. Okay. So this is one-to-one example. Now, what? Patient to doctor. Now doctor to patient. See, the arrow is one patient, one doctor. Now doctor to patient. Ashok is a person, Ashok having one parent. But my parent point of view, multiple childs. So parent point of view, one to many. Right? Maybe more than one or one. That is a different story. But every parent, multiple kids. Right? So in this case, every doctor only one patient. No, right? Every doctor, multiple patients. In that case, this direction, if you see in the doctor point of view, one doctor, what is that? Many patients. Many patients. So in that case, doctor point of view, so two objects. What is that? A patient and doctor between, what is that? One relationship is exist. Which relationship? Patient to doctor, one to one. Doctor to patients, one to many. Understand? Understand, guys? And one more example. In this, the three object point of view. One hospital, multiple patients. One doctor, multiple patients. That means one hospital, for example, here 100 patients are there. 100 patients are there. One hospital, 100 patients. One doctor, for example, these all 100 patients also this doctor belongs to, assuming it. So one doctor, same 100, what is that? Patients. So in that case, one hospital, 100 patients, one doctor, 100 patients. So 100 patients, 100 patients means this is the many patients, many patients. Hospital point of view, many patients, doctor point of view, many patients. But these two patients are same. So many patients connecting one hospital, many patients connecting one doctor. This is called indirectly, this object is connecting hospital and doctor. A is friend of B is friend of C. Indirectly, A is friend of C. Same. 100 patients, One hospital point of view, 100 patients are there. Doctor point of view, these 100 patients are there. That means this patient object connecting indirectly these two objects. Understand? This is called many patients. What is that? Hospital point of view, many patients. Doctor point of view, many patients. But same patients connecting two objects. This is called many to many relationship. Many to many relationship. When it is existing, yes, when it is existing means if hospital is connecting to patient, doctor is connecting to patient. That means hospital point, patient point of view, hospital is mandate relationship. Patient point of view, doctor is mandate relationship. If two mandatory relationship exist in the same object, then many to many relationship is exist. Understand? What is it? In the patient, we are connecting hospital. Which relationship? Master. In the patient, we are connecting to doctor. Which relationship? Master. Whenever one object having two master relationship, indirectly these two objects connecting each other. That is called, what is that? Many to many relationship. Many to many relationship. Many to many relationship means one object having two master detailed relationships. Patient having two master. What is that? Hospital and doctor. Here, patient is indirectly connecting hospital. This patient, because of patient, these two people are connecting hospital and doctor. There is no direct relationship. With the help of patient, these two are connected. So that is the reason this is called many to many relationship. And in this case, this object is called junction object. What is that? Junction. Yes, Srini. Junction object. What do you mean by junction object? Which object holding two master relationships? See here, patient object holding two master relationships. In that case, that patient object is called junction object. The child object is called junction object. So in the interview, those people are asking, what is meant by junction object? Which object having two master parents, two master detailed relationships, then that object is called junction object. With the help of junction object, indirectly many to many relationship will be exist. Clear? Clear? One to one, one to many, many to one to many, or many to one, both are same. Many to many. Many to many means this is a different scenario. Many to many means one object holding two master detailed relationship. Then that object is called junction object. Through junction object, hospital is through this patient, it is connecting to doctor. Doctor is through this patient connecting to hospital. So indirectly, the relationship is existing between these two objects. There is no direct relationship. This relationship is called many to many. Understand? So indirectly, these people are asking one to many, many to one, many to many. One to one means, sorry. One patient, one doctor. This is the one to one. One doctor, multiple patients. One to many. Multiple hospitals, multiple doctors. Through junction object. This is called many to many. Okay. This junction object, which object is connecting to different object through master, that object is called junction object. So this is the interview point of view. Those people are asking these questions. Clear? Any questions? Clear? Online people, everybody. In that case, see, for example, yeah, good question. For example, it is lookup. It is lookup. It is lookup means whenever I am creating the patient, I am not giving the hospital. I'm not giving the hospital. I'm connecting to doctor, master. So in this record, hospital not there. How this hospital is connecting to doctor then? If to master means in the patient, you are adding the doctor details, you are adding the hospital. That means indirectly hospital and doctor connecting in the patient. For example, this is the lookup. Lookup means I'm not giving the hospital data. That means patient is connecting doctor, not hospital. There is no hospital means this relationship not exist. So many to many will not exist. That's the reason one object having two masters. Then only that object is called, what is that? Junction object.
Sir, we look up కింద ఒక required box so that I enable చేస్తే
మ్యాండేటరీ అయిపోతుంది, మ్యాండేటరీ అయిపోతుంది. అది డిఫరెంట్ సినారియో చెప్తా లాస్ట్ లో. ఓకేనా? యా, క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీబడి? యా. సో నౌ ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద డాక్యుమెంట్. ఓ సారీ, one more concept is coming. Okay, so now come to here. Relationships are done. Next, very important, fourth point of the difference, lookup and master. As of now, we have discussed only three. Okay, the fourth, what is the fourth? Very important. Please observe here, guys. This is the object. Patient having doctor, which relationship? Patient to doctor, master. Patient to hospital, master. Patient to bed, lookup. So patient is a center object. So I am taking two examples here. What is the two scenarios? First, I am patient point of view, I am going to bed. Okay, so please remember, this is the important interview question. First, this is the patient. In the patient, this is the red color. Red color means doctor. Which relationship? Master, red color. Guys, this diagram is very important. If you go to theoretical, you couldn't understand. That's the reason I'm telling that every concept convert the diagram. It is very understandable format. Now, one master. I'm taking one more example. Lookup. What is the lookup object? Bed. Bed is a which relationship? Lookup. Okay. Now in this case, patient is not junction object. Why? Junction object means two masters. One lookup is there, one master is there. It is not a junction object. Okay, leave it. I will explain you different scenario. This diagram. First, I want to create. I want to observe the what is the architecture. What is the architecture means? First, I'm going to patient. Why? Because patient is a root, right? I'm going to first patient object and check all the fields first. Please observe it. I'm going to patient. Patient nothing but child. Child object. One child object, two parents. One parent is lookup, one parent is master. I'm taking the example. One child object, two parents. One parent is lookup, one parent is master. This is the scenario. Okay. Now please observe. I'm going to first object. What is the first object? Child object. Go to patient. Go to fields. I want to create one field. This is the data type. Please observe only data types, guys, here. Just to see this. What is this? Patient. Patient fields data types. Okay. What is the patient? As per our example, child object. Please observe this. Okay. Next, I am going to bed. I am going to bed. Bed is a what? Parent lookup. I am going to bed. Where is the bed? This is the bed. I want to open the data types. That means click on new. This is the bed. This is the second screen. First screen is patient data types, child object. That is a parent, but look up. Next, what is other? This is also done. Second is, this is the done. What is the third one? Doctor. Go to doctor, master. Doctor. Now you can drive the session. What you observe? First go to here. See guys. Here. How many fields are visible here? Forget about the master. Here roll up summary. What is the object? Patient. What is the patient object? Child. Child object. In the child object, one data type is disabled. What is the data type? Roll up summary. What is the roll up summary? Leave it. First, why it is disabled, we'll observe it. So here, in the patient object, roll up summary is disabled. Disabled means I am using a red color. Okay, roll up summary is disabled. When child object, roll up summary is disabled. What is a bed? Parent, look up. Check it. What? Roll up summary is enabled or disabled? Disabled. Come to here. Disabled means red color. Red color. What is there? Next. See here, parent is there, child is there, lookup is there, master is there. All objects, all type of objects, all type of relationships here. That's the reason I'm taking this example. So now doctor. Come to doctor. Roll up summary. Enabled. Enabled. Very, very important interview question. Green color. So forget about roll up summary. What is roll up summary? Forget about that. But when roll up summary will be enabled? Tell me now. When roll up summary is enabled? If any object is parent and it is a connecting with master. See, child object, any child object, roll up summary is disabled. Clear as per diagram. Second, any lookup object, roll up summary is disabled. Only master relationship parent object, only roll up summary is enabled. Very, 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 very important interview question in the real time as well. When the roll up summary is enabled, when master parent, simple, the word is master parent, roll up summary is enabled. Master parent, not child. Master parent, roll up summary is enabled. Clear everybody? What is the use, how to use, that's a different story. Clear everybody online? Guys, please ping me, say yes or no. End of the session, sir, I couldn't understand, don't say. Okay, just yes, just ping yes or no. Okay, so the simple word, take the screenshot. When the roll up summary will be in your notes, please draw it. Everything is not possible in my notes. Okay, just take the screenshot and put it in your notepad or something. What is that? So whenever you are going to interview, whenever you see this diagram, you can easily understand. Okay, one parent, one child is there, two parents are there. When roll up summary is green here. When so parent master, roll up summary is enabled. Okay. Now guys, what is the purpose of roll up summary? What is the purpose of roll up summary? Very simple. We know this concept, but the Salesforce people copied this concept somewhere. Where? I will show you. No. Salesforce.
Parent. Master child to parent.
Child to parent, we are connecting. Yeah.
So parent.
We are using this data in child, not this data in the parent. We are connecting this, but I am using data point of view. See, doctor data I am using here. Connection is this direction. I'm see how you are using the data. Doctor data you are using patient, not patient data you are using doctor. This is not connection. Understand? Yeah. So now guys, Now, I forgot that. Sorry, 1 second. I opened that. For example, this concept, these people are Salesforce people copied somewhere. This is the, what is that? One Excel sheet. Everybody knows, right? Don't say I don't know. Huh? This is the minimum basics. Okay, Excel sheet. Everybody knows, right? Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet, I want, for example, before applications are coming, apps are coming, all the people are using Microsoft Excels. For what? To store their information, to store their data, right? For example, still so many people are using the Excel sheet, guys. Why? Because all the people not investing the money for creating the apps. So in that case, open the Excel sheet and adding the data. For example, this is the data is there. How many records are there? 500 records are there. So this is one company information. For example, what is the account name, what is the money and everything. This is the money and everything. So the director is asking to the employee, hey guy, can you tell me how many employees are there? How many employees are there? How? For example, now 500, madam. But for example, here some names are there. Now that guy will be, what is that? For example, this column is not there. So that guy will be go and here, what is that? Count one by one. Without counting, is there any way? We have a, what is that? These people are in the Excel people providing some functions, right? What are the functions? Here, sum is there. So just which column you want to count it. From here to just, everybody knows, right? I'm explaining only Excel, not Salesforce. Just highlight the column. Now here, this data, what do you want? You need summa, count, right? Count. So what is the functions here? What is that? Where is the count? Count. Why count is not coming? It is not correct. 501 A2. Correct, right? Why it is not coming? I'm very weak here, guys. A2 count is equal to, correct, right? Why it is not coming? Okay, for example, this count A1, A2. Guys, why count is not coming? Anybody? I don't know. So here, okay, leave it. Count A2, A501. So total, that means whenever you are using this function, what is that? The total count 500 or 1000 or 2000 is coming. So here, I am not count one by one, right? The Excel people provide one function. Hey, which column, which row, A2 to A501. How many data is there? Please count it. So the value is coming like, what is the value is coming? For example, here 500. 500. Or, okay, I will use some different way. Why it's not coming, I don't know. Is equal to, what is the function? Count of, from where to where? Count of A column 2. Semicolon, comma, comma, A 501. A 501. Why it is not coming? I don't know. For example, in this case, something is missing, guys. Function name is counta, not counta. I don't know. 2. No. Subramanyam, I don't know. Okay, guys. Anyhow, using this function, we are getting what is the value? 500, for example. Okay. A1 colon, sorry. Correct, maybe.
Column.
Colon, I think. A1 colon, what is that? A, guys, don't say my sir don't know Excel. Excel is not my responsibility. Salesforce is my responsibility. Okay. So still
Rows function.
uh
Rows function.
Rosa.
Yes, sir. Number of rows.
No. Number of Rosa. What is the function name?
Rows, sir.
Rows. 501. Total 501 rows. So here these people are providing one function to count the how many records are there. Same like these people are providing, for example, I want to get the, what is that? This is the, what is the revenue? I want to get the total revenue of the, what is that? That company. Okay, in that case, I am using, what is that? One function. What is the function? Sum, average, count. What is the maximum salary or revenue? What is the minimum salary? Okay, so same thing, guys. Our Salesforce people copying from the Excel. Okay, same concept. These people are copying. Why? Instead of this data, in our case, what is it? Our records. Our records. For example, see, in the roll-up summary is a enable, right? What is meant by roll-up summary? Roll-up summary is a data type. It is a data type. We know, right? While you are creating the field, in the data type section, it is available. See, in the data type section, it is available. Roll-up summary. That means roll-up summary is a data type which is provided some functions. Which is provided some function. What are the functions? I will show you. Why these functions? Why this function means, for example, guys, for example, Dr. Peter. See, in the doctor roll-up summary is there. Doctor roll-up summary is there as per diagram. Don't be confused. In the doctor point of view, roll-up summary is there. So that means doctor point of view, how many rows are there? Patients, 2. So doctor point of view, I want to get total count of the patients. I want to get the total count. In that case, here in the doctor roll-up summary is there. Within the roll-up summary, these people are provided some functions. You can use that functions. What are the functions? I will tell you. For example, doctor point of view, how many patients are there? So number of patients is equal to roll-up summary function. You can use it and get the count automatically. Clear? So I will tell you, see, for example, in this case, roll-up summary already enabled doctor, but roll-up summary not enabled bed. Why? It is a lookup. So when to roll-up summary is enabled, only master parent. Okay, doctor, master parent. Here, I want to get the child records. Why? It is a parent. How many childs are there? So many childs. So for example, here too, after 1 year, Ashok is a, for example, Dr. Peter is a doctor. This guy, last 5 years, how many patients he treated? I want to get it. 5 years, maybe 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or blah, blah, blah. How to get it? So in that case, I want to use the roll-up summary and get the count of the child records. Only this doctor related patients. How? Go to doctor, use the roll-up summary. Use the roll-up summary of what? The doctor related patients. The doctor related patients. Roll-up summary giving some functions. Which function you want here? Which function? The count. I want child's count. So here, what is that? Number of patients. I want to create one field on doctor. The field type is roll up summary field. Roll up summary field. Next. Now it is asking, see, master object is doctor. Which object roll up summary you want? Which object? Summarized object, summarized information. Which object summarized information? Patients. One doctor, multiple patients. So I want to see roll up summary type. How many functions it is provided? 4. Do you want patient count or sum? Patient sum. It is a useless, right? Patient, how do you get the sum? If you have the money, we have sum. If you have the money, what is the minimum? For example, here 20 members are there. 20 employees are there. What is the sum? Salary sum. Name sum is not possible. That is a common sense. What is the minimum? Minimum means which employee salary is minimum. That means employee salary minimum is we are getting it. Employee salary maximum is getting. Employee, all employees total salary we are getting. How many employees are there? Count is getting. In our case, per doctor, how many patients are there? That means we are using count. We are using counter. But here again, one more problem, guys. Whenever it is using counter, for example, I am asking in my, what about that? In my Salesforce company, okay, in my company, okay, the HR asking to Pune, hey, can you please count how many members are in the bay, particular bay? That guy is counting name wise. Name wise. For example, Ashok sir, 3 members are there. But Ashok name is 1, but how many members are there? 3. So Ashok, if you are calculating one time, the count will be missing. Ashok is, you can calculate count 3 times. Understand? But all 3 Ashoks are different. So that is the reason the Pune is calculating not based on the name, based on the unique entity, unique ID. What is the unique ID? Employee ID. Every Ashok, different employee ID. Same like here also, one doctor, for example, what is that? This guy is a Peter. This guy is a Vijay. This guy also Vijay. This is not counting based on the name. This is counting based on the unique ID. What is the unique ID? Coding point of view. ID. Yesterday I told you, every record there is ID. So every person internally system is generating one ID. Based on ID, it is counting. So ID always unique. How many records are there? All the records, unique IDs are there. How many IDs are there? 2. Understand? So the count is doing like this. So count of all patient IDs. Unique patient IDs, it's counting. So next. I'm already telling, right, Srini? Concept is not over. Yeah. So visible to all. See, number of patient, roll up summary. Within the roll up summary, how many functions are there? Count, minimum, maximum, sum. Okay, please remember. Next. Save. Okay. Now see, guys, in the doctor point of view, number of patients we have created, but number of patient is a roll up summary of count. Now see. Now it is going to which object? Patient, and apply the roll up summary of count. How many patients are there? 2. That 2, it will be displayed here. Number of patients 2. Number of patients 2. I want to add one more patient to this doctor. Dr. Peter and hospital is same. Whenever you are added Gaurav to Dr. Peter, under Dr. Peter, one patient is added. That means total 2 plus 1. Now see. 3 members. See 3. It is a locking field. Why? These data are depending on this patient count. For example, see this guy, unfortunately, the admin is added this guy to Peter. Now, for example, this guy is not there. I will remove it. Now, What is the roll-up summary count? 2. Automatically 2 is impacted. So like that, if you are add or remove, automatically update the count. Which count? Not this object count, the child count. What is that? The parent related count, the parent related child count. This data not related to parent data. It is related to child data. So in the parent point of view, if you want to perform some actions, what type of actions? If you want to find out the count, if you want to find out the sum, if you want to find out the minimum, if you want to find out the maximum. So related to child, then we are using a roll-up summary of functions. Understood? So this is one example. For example, okay, what about other doctors? Only I am using Dr. Peter, right? Dr. Likta. How many patients are there? 1. Why 1? 1 patient is there. Roll-up summary already applied. Next, doctor. What is the other guy? John. How many patients are there? 0. So every object roll-up summary applied. So now guys, you can try that. My requirement is okay. For example, as of now, this is not correct, but as of now, patient point of doctor point of view, I'm what is that? I'm hiring the doctor in the base of performance. Performance means, for example, how to calculate the performance means okay. If up to 30 days or up to now, how many patients you are treated? I'm giving 50%. The hospital people are saying that, for example, you are treated up to 1 month, 100 members. 100 members means I'm giving the hospital CEO's management tells to doctor, okay, per month, you are this month, 100 members you are treating it. So I'm giving 50%. 50% means 100 members. How much? 2400 again 00. 1 patient 2400. 100 patients. How many? 2,40,000. 50%. 1,20,000. That 1,20,000 I want here. The doctor see that okay, up to now, how much money generated from my salary in my account. So what is that? As of now, total fee. As of now, total fee is equal to, tell me the formula now. It is a mathematics calculation, guys. It is not a coding. What is? So first of all, total salary. How to get the, for example, this guy, who is that? Peter. How to get that? 2 members are there. 2 members means I want 4,800. Why? Each guy 2,400. How many members are there? 2. Total 4,800. 4,800. How to get the 4,800? Huh? Number of patients into fees. So here just use mathematics, guys. What is that? 2,400 into 2. Total money is coming by 2. By 2 is equal to again 2,400. Understand? So that formula you can apply it. What is that? By some also fine. That is also fine. So see guys, here 2 approaches. First approach is formula field. What is the formula field? Total amount, doctor amount. Okay, total doctor amount is equal to, what is that? Fees. Fees into, what is that? Fees into, what is the other one? Number of patients. Right? Number of patients. How much we are giving? 50%. 50% means by 2. Bracket, same date of birth, guys. Bracket divided by 2. This is your common sense. Understand? This formula is your common sense. So what is the total fee? 2,400 in that doctor point of view. 2,400. How many patients are there? 2 members. Divided by 2 is equal to what is the amount? Again 2,400. That means total amount is equal to 2,400. We will get it. So okay, if you are confused, I will add one more patient. Then it is fine, right? So Babu, contact number is blah blah blah, and bed don't require. Dr. Peter, hospital is same. Same. Okay. Now, what is the total amount? 2,400 into 3. So here 2,400 into 3. What is that? 7,200. 7,200 divided by 2. What is that? 3,600. So this amount I want to add in the doctor field. Understand? So that means you know the formula. You know the formula. Create the field. Total amount is equal to fees into number of patients divided by 2. 50%. For 40% into 40 by 100. 30%. 30 by 100. Like that you need to add it. Okay. So now guys, this is one approach, formula field approach. Second approach, we'll see whether it's possible or not. What is second approach? Roll up summary. But roll up summary of sum, what is coming? What is that? Every patient 2,400, total 7,200 is coming. But what about the 50%? Not work out. Understand? 50% by 2. Roll up summary getting all the sum of this, each guy paying how much money? 2,400. 2,400, 2,400, 2,400. So 7,200 is coming. That is not correct. In this case, you need to go to formula field. Understand? What is the formula field? What is the formula field? See how many formula fields we are creating. Formula, next. So what is that? As of now, doctor total amount. Okay, as of now, doctor total amount. What is that? Formula field. Money nothing but currency. Don't require paisas. 0. Next. Now what is the formula field? Fees into number of patients divided by 2. We'll see whether it is work or not. Fees. First bracket. First fees. Go to doctor. Fees into insert operator into what is that? Number of patients. Where is that? Number of patients. So fees into number of patients. Put the bracket. Open bracket. Put the close bracket. Divided by 50% or 40%. 40% means 40 by 100. 0, 0, 4 by 10. 0.4. Don't add 40 by 100. 40 by 100 means 0.4. That means into. Understand? 40%. Share. See? Done. Next, say. Understand, guys? So you can play with these guys if you have the ideas. First of all, you have the visualization skill. Understand what is the requirement. Based on that, you can write a number of things here. See, as of now, total amount 2,880 rupees. Why? 40% share. Understood? Okay. Same like you need to do that hospital point of view. Hospital point of view. How many patients are there? Roll up summary of counter. Total patient counter. Total amount getting hospital. How much amount it is getting? You are already, see, this is the amount, right? So, sum of total amount. You can add it. Understood? You can do that. So, guys, next, as of now, count done. Whatever remaining functions. For example, in the Dr. Peter, 1 second, guys. Hello. Yeah. So, in the doctor point of view, only see here the pain. Based on the pain, we are go to the solution. This is the patients are doctor. Whenever doctor open their screen, patients are coming. But what is the patient name? What is the patient is? I want to display here. I want to add the, what is that? Fields. Where? Not in this space, in this space. This is detail page. This is called detail page. This is the detail record related information. Related information. That is the reason this is called detail page, detail record page. This is called related information. That means related multiple records list. Related list. This is called detailed page. This is called related information. Related list. Understand? This is called the terminology, guys. The terminology is very important. This is the detailed record. This is the related records, related list information. Okay. Now in the related list information, I want to add patient name. I want to add patient date of birth or age something. Why? Without, for example, I want to see this guy name. Then doctor point of he is open the 006 and see the name. Why you are clicking it? I want to display. In that case, I don't want to click and open the record to see the data. Whatever data I want to display here. How? You need to add the field. If you want to add the field, which concept? Page layouts. Okay. Edit layout. Where to add the field? Not detail page. Which page? Related list. This is the related list. In the related list, how many fields are there? One column is there. It is a table. Now I want to add the name. So here, see the setting icon. Don't click on it. If you click on it, it will be gone. It is removed. Now where it is there? It is a related list. If you want to add fields, go to field section. If you want to add or remove buttons, go to button section. Now related list. Where is the related list? Click on it. Which related list? Patients. Drag it. See? Okay. Now here I want to add. This is remove. Now I want to add the columns. Click on it. See? See? Columns. Which column? Not hospital related. Why? Because there is a relationship. Patient and hospital, there is a relationship. That's the reason it is coming. I don't require hospital. I want, what is that? Patient related, what do you want? Is add it. Patient related contact number don't require. Consultation fees, for example, every guy same, one doctor same fees, right? Everybody. And date of birth. Okay, and name. Now previously serial number is there. Now I am adding patient is, patient consultation fees, date of birth and name. I want to align properly. First serial number, name next. Up. Next date of birth. Click on it. Date of birth. Based on date of birth, age is coming, consultation fees. Previously one column is there. Now how many columns? 5 columns. Save it. Once it is saved, see it is coming. Again, you can must be save the page. S. See now, that's it. All are coming. This is the page layout. This is the page layout concept. Previously we discussed only this. Now related list. Okay. So now guys, see here one more problem here. Who opened this record? Who opened this record? Doctor. Which doctor? Peter. But why are you giving the doctor creating the patient record? Who created the patient record? Management, reception guy. So doctor don't require this button. See, like you need to understand like that, guys. So okay, buttons are there. First, understand the scenario. Doctor open this record. Why doctor? Why you are giving the new patient? What is that button to the doctor? Doctor not created the any patient. That means in the related list, remove the new patient button. Right? Why? Doctor point of view, doctor will not use this button. So again, edit list. Where to go? Where to remove the button? Related list. Click on settings. These are the columns. Close it. Buttons. Click on buttons. New button. Uncheck it. Okay. Save it. Done. So now we are customizing related list columns and buttons, whatever you want. Clear. This is come under page layout section. If I'm explaining page layout, all are at that time you don't know what is the related list. Understand? So clear, online people, how to modify the related list. Okay, online people, please respond. Okay, now guys, if you want to remove these buttons also, you can remove it. Why? Because doctor will not do anything. Doctor don't require. Who created this record? Doctor record. Management. Right? So doctor will not edit, doctor will not delete, doctor will not clone, doctor will not share. Remove all the buttons using page layout. You know already. Okay. Now, okay. Now see guys, why these two ages are not coming? There is no date of birth. I will add the date of birth for this guy and this guy. Guys, 5 minutes. Okay. This guy date of birth is, where is the date of birth? 1980, for example. Okay. Save it. Now other guy. September 17, 2000. Okay. Now all the people having the date of birth. Whenever date of birth is entered, age is coming. Now my requirement is very, 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 very important. Okay. We'll see who will give the answer. Now my requirement is doctor point of view. Okay. In the last, as of now, 3 records are there. In the three records, who is the elder person date of birth? That date of birth I did in the doctor point of view. Who is the younger? That date of birth I want. Yeah. So that means doctor point of view. What is that? Roll up the which data? Child data. In that case, we are using roll up summary. So Srini, please, first of all, I told you so many times, first we need to complete the classic, then go to lightning. At that time, I will explain you. Okay? Understand? Please, first classic will finish within 1 month. After that, we are going to the coding. Then go to the lightning. At that time, again, I will repeat these concepts, guys, in the lightning. Okay? Don't ask lightning related questions now. We are in classic. We are in basics. Okay? Yeah. So, now guys, here, doctor point of why? Because I want to cover what is that count, minimum, maximum, everything. That's the reason I'm taking this example. So, here sum is not possible. Minimum. So, please tell me, anger. Anger means? Who is anger here? 23,007. Babu is a anger. This date of birth I want to display here. Okay? Anger date of birth. Next, older, 44. This date of birth I want to display here. So, where is the data? In the related list data. So, in the related list data, you can check which data you want, minimum data or maximum data. In that case, we are using roll-up summary. Understand? Then everybody will did the mistake. That's the reason I'm taking this example. Now you can drive this session. Okay. What is that? Younger date of birth. Right? Younger date of birth means first roll up. Why? Here and dimension go to what is that? Child records. That's the reason. Roll up summary. Which child record? Which child record? Okay. Younger date of birth. YO you younger date of birth. Next. Which object you want to check? Younger date of birth. Patients. So patient. Doctor point of view, here and dimension. Doctor point of view, go to patients. Within the patients, what do you want? Younger date of birth. Younger means which function you want to use? Minimum. Which field? Minimum means which field? Age or date of birth? I want date of birth. I told you already date of birth. Age, we'll see for example age. I want to check the age. Age is there? Age is there? Why age is not there?
Because it is displaying.
Hmm.
It will not display the months. Like it will not.
Why age is not there here? Tell me.
Formula field.
Age is a formula field. Why? See, age is not direct field. If you are enter this, then age is coming. So whenever roll up summary is coming, at that time this is not available. So roll up summary not work for what is that? Formula fields. Roll up summary always using direct fields, not formula fields. Why? Because this is depending on this. Again, your roll up summary is depending on this means the signing is see. If you are enter this is coming. Whenever it is coming, then roll up summary is work. So it is lagging. Understand? That's the reason roll up summary always looking direct fields, not formula fields. Okay. That's the reason age is not coming. So which one? Date of birth. So younger date of birth is equal to minimum of patient date of birth. Okay. We'll see. Next. Save. Now, who is younger? 23. That means this date of birth I want to display here. What is coming? Why? Why? That's the reason I'm taking this example. Why? See guys, you know 23 is younger, but system point of view, see time is always reverse, right? If this value is increased, your age will be, what is that? This decreased, huh? See, for example, this value is increased. Age decreases. Your, see, for example, 1990, your this number of years will be decreased. That means it's the older date of birth. Decrease means your age will be increased. So system point of view, what is that? It is checking, you are giving the minimum. Minimum means 1990 is minimum or 1980 or 2000. Which is minimum? Which is minimum? Here, 1990. It is a number. The system don't know it's a age. It's a number. It's a minimum. What is the minimum date of birth? 1990. See, sorry, 1980. It is coming 1980. But you know, as a human, you know what is that? The number of years will be decreased, then age will be increased. Understand? Number of years will be increased, then age will be decreased. For example, 2024 is a born baby, right? 2024 maximum number, right? 2000, it is a less number. That means age will be increased. So number of years inversely proportional to age. Understood? So that is the reason. What is that? Here, younger date of birth always maximum value, maximum year. Go to, what is that? Younger date of birth. See, what is this? The symbol, whenever you see the symbol, that means it is filtering the child records. It's a roll-up summary is applied. Now, what is that? Max. That's it. Understand? So here, don't go blindly. Okay, minimum means minimum number, max means maximum number. Don't go that. Based on scenario, you can choose the function. Understand? Yeah. Now, and the data. Clear? So, for example, here some employees are there. This is the, in this example, for a different example, this is the company, this is the employees. Every employee there is a salaries. So I want total sum. So what is that? That company point of view, summarize the salaries, the total salaries coming into the respective company. So that is the sum. So this is called roll-up summary, guys. Clear? Roll-up summary. Now come to here. This is the other big difference in the lookup and master. What is the last difference? In the lookup, what is that? Roll-up summary, enabled or disabled? Disabled. See, only differences we covered how many concepts? Understand? So, not formula fields, man. Roll-up summary will not apply formula fields, direct fields. Okay? Roll-up summary is disabled. Where? In the lookup. Here. Enabled. Understand? This is the other difference. Now, one more difference. But it is not correct, but we need more points. That's it. What is the more points? Roll-up summary not there. Then, what is that? Aggregate functions not available. Both are same, but we need more points, right? Roll-up summary not there. Then, aggregate functions. What are the aggregate functions? First, count. Second, sum. Third, minimum. Fourth, maximum. These are not available in the lookup. Here, what is the fifth point? Aggregate functions will be available. What are the aggregate functions? That means count, next, sum, next, minimum, next, max. So, if you want to cover these, what is that? Differences we covered last 4 or 5 days concepts. Understand? So, this is the lookup and master relationship differences. Okay, guys? Okay. So, tomorrow, just if you have time, guys, 2 minutes. Sorry, it's too late for you. I will show the document and upload it. Where is that? Where is that? Where is the document? 1 second, I will checking. See, guys, here I will upload today. See, guys, this is what is that? What is the object and everything? See, what is the object which is having property that is called object? Object is standard objects and custom objects. And how to create the object, navigation, setup, click, find, left box, and type it, blah, blah, blah. I already explained how to create the object. Then see this option is coming. Once it is option is coming, what is that? What is the data you need to enter? Plural label, singular label, object name, description, record name, and everything. Then you are enter. I'm creating student data. Okay, I'm not creating hospital data. Understand why? Because I'm giving the different examples. Here I am giving the different examples. Then you can cover more and more scenarios. So here student ID is the auto number. Then whenever you are creating it, student underscore C, 4 fields are created. You know, standard fields. Then custom fields. See, if you want to create the custom fields, student name and blah, 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 I'm creating it. Then once it is done, see, I want to create date of birth, course, mobile number, fees, blah, blah, blah. Okay, once it is done, see, in the student point of view, this is name is different, name is same, mobile number is, name is different, mobile number is different, but course and fees is same. In that case, data redundancy is coming. In that case, you can divide, what is that? Same data will be repeated multiple times. This is the duplicate data. Whenever duplicate data is coming, data redundancy is coming. So memory will be problem. So in that case, one course record added to the multiple students. So data redundancy will be avoided with the help of 16 million bytes, 4 million. I'm already calculating the data. So here cost cutting and everything. In that case, we are introducing relationship concept. What is that? Parent object, child object, and student management system is one example. Hospital management system is one example. You can take anything. Relationships, lookup and master. Lookup relationship, these are the points. One hospital, see here, I am creating hospital and patient, but it is not correct. You can create instead of this bed and patient. So doctor and patient, master. Then finally, I'm creating those objects, blah, blah, blah. See, I'm adding the doctor relationship, blah, blah, blah. Finally, count some minimum maximum and here number of patients, everything I created. Finally, what is that? Hospital point of view, number of patients, 3. Why? Apollo Hospital, Kukatpalli branch, 3. Thus 3 is coming. Look up, what is that? Master relationship, roll up summary. Finally, so many fields are created. Then age, formula fields. Age is equal to today minus date of birth divided by 365. Fees is equal to doctor fee. Patient point of view, doctor fee is a patient fees. Formula field. And see, like that I'm creating, see, all the date of birth, specialization, years of experience, number of patients, see, roll up summary. What is that? Younger date of birth, all the date of birth. See, I'm creating the roll-ups. So here, what is the barcode? This is the barcode URL I have added. This is the barcode. For what? This barcode belongs to contact number. Same. This is the barcode. Finally, younger and older data, but blah, blah, blah. See, finally, parent and child. So one parent, many childs. One to many. One parent, one child. Okay. So one parent, two parents. Junction object. This is the total documentation we already covered. But here, page layouts, blah, blah, blah is not there. I will share some more concepts are there. Once it's done, I will share that document next. Any questions? Sorry, too late today. Okay. Nice, sir. Do we have first worksheet also prepare the hospital page, etc. Class 1, class 2, class 3? Yes, everything is there. Sir, can we